Yeah, I don't want him to get around.
Smells good already.
They just opened it.
Where's Sarah at?
There he is.
Yeah, it smells good already.
Where's Sarah? Oh, hi, Sarah.
All right, so this is the project of the day. Okay. Saw the before, now this is the after. It is still super wet, so that shininess might go away a little bit, but I have butcher block countertops, and I avoided doing this on it because I didn't really want it to look like a bar stool. Somebody had recommended that we get this seal so we can like waterproof our butcher block, you know, just so it's easier to have in the kitchen, which I gotta be honest, I love the butcher block look, but I would never recommend it. And I kind of regret doing it a little bit because it is not sealed in nicely, and it makes it kind of just seem like you'll always get water spots on it for any reason or another. So wouldn't recommend it in your kitchen, but I just put this, it's called super glaze, so obviously it's going to have a glaze once it dries too. Just put that on the table that we got it from my neighbor. And even though it like matches my house and my dining room perfectly, I know my table's a mess because I have laundry on it. This is the color of the dining room table. It's the exact same color as my living room counters. Like, it doesn't have that real shiny finish. Ideally is what we wanted, you know, for in here at least to match all the inside furniture. But I need something that's going to be a waterproofer. So hopefully some of the rain will kind of just start to bead off of this table if it has a little bit of a seal over it. I already roughed it up a little bit, sanded it, and then washed it. So we'll see how that turns out. But yeah.
Ben, get up here. Don't be in that far.
I'm not.
Ooh, look at something in the water swimming over here.
Yeah, it was like a fish or something.
What?
There's something in the water over here swimming towards you. I don't know. I guess you're about to find out.